Welcome back everyone. In this tutorial I am going to show you use two WhatsApp account on one Android phone. No app needed. So let's get started. First of all, open the settings page. After it's open, scroll down slowly. Here you can find the advanced features option. Click on them. After that, scroll down again. Look for the dual messenger option. Tap on it. Here you can see all of the dual apps supported listed there. If you want to two WhatsApp account on one phone, look for the WhatsApp option, tap on the toggle switch, then hit install. And automatically secondary copy WhatsApp account install. To check it work, simply return to your home screen, swipe it to open the app door. Here you can see your current WhatsApp. Simply tap on it and use your first account. If you use another account, go back to your home screen, open app door, scroll down to the right to left or left to right, find the second install WhatsApp there. Once you found them, open them, then log into your or sign into your another account and use them. And that's it, how you can easily use two WhatsApp account on your one Android phone. If you found this guide will help you, please like this video. Also subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.